Welcome back to Space Wonders. When NASA's Voyager 1 went silent 15 billion miles away, scientists feared it was gone forever. But then a true miracle of science happened. A team of dedicated engineers analyzed the ancient 98 software code. Since they couldn't replace the broken computer chip, they came up with a brilliant plan to split the code and hide it in healthy sections of the remaining memory. After a tense 48-hour wait for the signal to travel back and forth, Voyager 1 was successfully repaired from a world away. Before turning off its cameras to save power, Voyager 1 took one final, haunting photograph of Earth from 3.7 billion miles away, showing our entire planet as a tiny, single pale blue. Today, Voyager 1 carries the golden record, a time capsule containing greetings in 55 languages and the world's finest music. Soon its power will die, and it will become a silent ghost ship, floating through the void for millions of years. A message in a bottle proving that once upon a time we were here. We dreamed and we reached for the stars. Like, comment, and subscribe for more spectacular cosmic